very interesting thing. For if you understand, everything will be clear. So far, we have seen for is used for statement. For statement,
Printing the same thing multiple times.
not printing only, doing same or similar task. सिर्फ print नहीं, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. We will learn that. Similar task.
We can print the countings 1 to thousands.
वो करेंगे again and again. Okay. इसका एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा था प्रिंटिंग हेलो 5000 टाइम्स अगर है तो व्हाट विल यू डू? Whatever has to be repeated has to be put inside the body of for. Whatever task you have to repeat, you will put inside the body of for. How many times the task has to be repeated? Repeated will be mentioned in a range function of for header. Okay, of for header. तो इसको हम लोग कैसे लिख रहे थे इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए? For I in range and then block or body of this will start. So देखो यहाँ पे range will, like I have said, this is the header, this part of for. So range will contain the number of times this has to be repeated. How many times this has to be repeated? 5000 times. So we'll write from 1 to 5000 or 5001.
5001, sir.
5001. Okay. Now, and whatever has to be repeated has to be put inside the body or block of the for. तो block कहाँ से start हुआ है? From this column. Okay. And we will indent and then we'll leave some space as indentation and then we'll leave print. Hello, just a minute. Okay. Now, ये हो गया तुम्हारा एग्जाम्पल. अब थोड़ा सा फॉर को इन नेक्स्ट 15 मिनट्स विल सी फॉर इन वेरी गुड डिटेल. ये वाला पार्ट क्लियर है ना कि दिस तो वी सॉ यस्टरडे ओनली कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर. एवरीवन, सारे लोग बताओ. आयुष?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Clear है? हाँ, yeah. Tell me.
So yesterday I like typed for in and I forgot to type range and I typed 1 to 11 and it printed only twice, sir.
उस पे नहीं जाएंगे अभी. What you exactly did, okay, will not go that. मैं बता रहा हूँ, you know why that happened? Because you अभी छोड़ दो अभी के लिए, because you used another data type by mistake. ओके दैट इज टपल, तुमने टपल ले लिया था, उस पे हम लोग बाद में जाएंगे. जस्ट फॉर नाउ यू रिमेंबर, डोंट टेक, यूज ओनली रेंज. ओके, उसके अलावा कुछ मत करो. what you Rolvin, what you used, you will get the answer in maybe another 2 weeks or 1 week. next week में शायद पता चल जाएगा तुम्हें कि what was the problem or what why it printed only 2 times, but not now. There are few more data types that we have to discuss.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Right.
so this is another function.
Sorry.
Range is another function.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So अब देखो.
Sir, 1 sec, can you go to the previous page?
Okay. Prithviraj, I'll discuss. What is it? Don't worry. हैं तो पहले वाला प्रोग्राम गायब हो जाता है. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल, क्योंकि 5000 टाइम्स इफ यू आर प्रिंटिंग देन तो in one single screen it won't fit, na.
So, but then when you scroll up, it will be present, right?
Yeah, if you scroll up it will be present.
No, sir, it's not coming for me.
No, it will come.
Even if I scroll up.
अच्छा अंकित, उस पे बाद में आते हैं, अभी पहले कंसेप्ट देख लो, देन आई विल क्लियर योर डाउट वो क्या हो रहा है स्क्रॉल करने में. बट इट विल कम अप, स्क्रॉल अप में आएगा. ओके, और वो आई वगैरह अभी पृथ्वीराज में वो अभी बताता हूँ. ओके, अब एक्चुअल वर्किंग देखते हैं फॉर का. हाउ फॉर एक्चुअली वर्क्स. हाउ फॉर एक्चुअली वर्क्स. अब समझो क्या होता है. सो when you write for I in range, let's say 1,11, what will that mean? Whatever we are going to write inside it will be repeated how many times?
10.
10 times.
10 times.
10 times.
10 times.
Remember, one extra देते हैं हम लोग. We
Yes,
provide
sir,
one
sorry.
extra. 10 times, right? Now, so what internally happens is, and then you will have your block. Okay, block of code, block of or body of code. Rather, I'll use block, is more correct. Block of code to be repeated. Code to be repeated. Okay. ठीक है. तो now let's say कि you have this. अब देखो what exactly happens. Now I am going to explain everything in detail. So step 1. A variable with identifier or variable identified as I. Okay, a variable identified as I will be created.
Sir,
Okay. Huh.
sir, the I is a variable.
Yeah.
So for we can write like A in range also.
Yeah, then that variable with identifier A will be created.
Okay, fine, sir.
If you change this name, okay, if you let me mark it here. Okay, if you change this, then identifier name of the new variable will change. Variable will change. Okay. So step 1 में ये होता है. Step 2.
Sir, Aditya is asking some doubt in chat.
Okay. What will happen, sir, if we use a symbol like, now Aditya, you tell me, we have to choose, okay, just a minute. We have to choose, what you say is identifier name. Can an identifier name start with pound sign or hash symbol?
No, sir. You told only with
No,
alphabet
sir.
and underscore.
It can only start with
Alphabet and underscore.
alphabet and underscore. Very good. So that will be an illegal name or invalid name. So then it will be an error. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Step 2. A variable I will be created. Second step. A list of integer values. A list of integer values. Okay. Will be created by range. ठीक है? Range, this is start and this is end plus 1, which will contain integer with a starting value as क्या?
1, sir.
नो, यहाँ पे इसका ये सिंटेक्स देखो, स्टार्ट. अब स्टार्ट का जो भी मैग्नीट्यूड हो, ओके, स्टार्ट एंड ending value as
End plus 1.
end plus 1. Okay, not ending value as end plus 1 नहीं, sorry,
Only end minus 1.
only end.
Only end, yeah.
end plus 1 दिए हो ना, तो end तक ही जाएगा, लिस्ट बनाएगा. ओके. Step 3. Give me a minute, I'll just have water and come. Okay, sorry. कहाँ थे हम लोग? Right. So now step 3. I will get variable identified by I will get new value each time the task, work, or job is repeated. Starting from start till end.
Sir, how will the means variable be automatically created, sir?
That is how for works. It's the behavior of for.
Okay, without we giving the
You don't have to specify. It will give one by one up. First time I will become 1, then it will go inside and do the job. Second time it will again come back, pick another value that is 2 from here. I will become 2 and again do the job. Third time from this list I will take 3. I will become 3 and it will go inside, do the job. ठीक है, इस तरह करते करते फिर it will become 10, it will do the job. The moment it becomes 11, the same as this value, okay, I won't take any further value from it. It will come out of the block of this for statement, or it will come out of the for compound statement. Okay, I'll just show 1 second, don't worry, till end. अगर end plus 1 है तब end. If you are writing only end here, then end minus 1 तक जाएगा. Okay. अब इसको हम लोग देखते हैं. Right. For example, okay. अब देखो.
Sir,
अगर
just 2 seconds. Can I go to the previous one page? Sir, can't we perform operations in this?
We will be performing unimaginable operations here. For is the backbone of any programming language. When you understand this concept now, you will find like it will be a eureka moment for you. जो आर्किमिडीज को हुआ था ना, I found it. तो it will be a next league, मतलब it will take you to a next level कि तुम क्या क्या कर सकोगे. You will surprise yourself.
Done, sir.
Done ना? Okay. For example, for I in range 1 से 11. Okay.
Sir, I can be changed or it will
चलो
remain.
चलो चेंज कर देते हैं, बहुत जगह आई ले लिए. Let's not do injustice to other alphabets. Okay.
Okay, sir,
So,
it's just level.
मैं क्या ले लूं यहाँ बताओ? Tell me, you tell me. XYZ, any identifier name, कोई भी identifier ले सकते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so XYZ and print hi. Okay, Sorry Bharat, I saw your message late, नहीं तो Z ले लेते उसे. Now we will try to उसको step follow करते हुए we will do it. So what will happen in step 1? Okay, बताओ.
Variable named XYZ will
For
be created.
identifier XYZ, variable will be created.
हाँ, a variable will be created. That is, a memory location in the RAM will be reserved, having an identifier XYZ. Correct? Variable
Yes.
identified as XYZ will be created. Right? Okay, good. Step 2. क्या होगा? Range function will create. Will create a list. A list of integers. And that will be, वो क्या होगा? Just a minute. And that will be starting from 1, 2, 3, starting from this value and going till this value minus 1, 4, 5,
Sir.
6, 7.
I just now by mistake instead of 1 comma 10 I wrote 2 comma 10.
It will start from 2. 2,
Yes, sir.
2 to 9. Okay, if you give it 2, it will go from 2 to 9. List of values that
Yes.
will be created. If you give it 100 and if you give it 1000, then it will start from 100 till 999 each integer. Okay.
Sir, if we give the opposite, like 11 to 1.
We'll come to that. Not now. So wait karo.
If we write range and 1 comma 11, instead we write a number, what will we type?
1 comma 11 की जगह क्या नंबर यहाँ लिख दोगे? Range की जगह you write 2.
If, in 1 comma 11 की जगह कोई नंबर लिख देते हो.
वो अभी छोड़ दो. Don't go into variations. I will cover the variations later. It has, of course, those variations that you are talking about. For now, just
sir,
consider you are only going to write 2 numbers inside, separated by comma, and that will be, first one will be smaller and the second one will be larger. We will, of course, see the variants. Don't worry. पहले ये समझ लेते हैं, वो अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay. Now, ठीक है. Step 3. Step 3 में क्या था? Variable identified by I will be getting new value each time from the the task work job is repeated starting from start till end. ठीक है, तो इसमें से क्या होगा? XYZ labeled variable will get new value each time, and one new value from the list generated by range each time the job is repeated or the block is repeated. मतलब यहाँ पे in this case print each time the job or task is repeated. Task, and here what is the task? printing high. High is repeated. So I will be equal to, what is the first value from here? First value is 1. Okay. From the list 1, 2, 3, 10. First value will be picked up the very first time. Okay. Very first time, first value will be picked up in I. Therefore, I will become 1. That variable will become 1. So, or I, not I here, sorry. यहाँ पे तो मैंने x y z लिया है ना. X y z. Okay. So first time x y z becomes 1. Second time अब 1 होगा. Then print high. Okay. This will be first time. First time job will be done. Then second time job will be done. In that second time, x, y, z will take the value, new value from the list. क्योंकि 1 has already been used, so 2 will be taken this time. Okay, so 1 has already been used. So next time 2 will be put inside it, and then again one time job will be repeated. Then high will be printed again. Okay, इस तरह करके होगा, and it will continue so on. चलते जाएगा. The above repetition will continue till आदित्य अभी रुक जाओ, उस पे भी आएंगे. तुम्हारा जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो उस पे वेट करो. Will continue till I becomes equal to 10. So finally 10th time, not I, x, y, z. जब x, y, z 10 होगा, that means from the list 1, 2, 3, 4, finally 9, 10. When last value is picked up, okay, when last value is picked up in x, y, z, then for last time z will be, then for last time high will be printed. Then for last time for will go inside its block. For will go inside its block. Inside its block and print high. Okay. उसके बाद क्या होगा? There is no more value. तो 11 दिए हो तो 10 ही तक का लिस्ट बनाता है. So 10 times for I will become 1, then high printing. I will become 2, then high printing. I will become 3, then high printing. That is why you get high printed 10 times. Okay. So can we put one value for a number and another value for another number? Where is another number? कौन सा number बोल रहे हो अंकित?
Sir, like range from 1 to 10, we are giving print high, then it will print high 10 times. But if you want to give first one hi, then second one another good morning like that.
We will learn that thing, but a bit later. वो सब सीखेंगे. If use करना पड़ेगा for के अंदर में.
Okay.
Okay. If चलो अभी उसको नहीं कहेंगे, but maybe next 1 or 2 classes we'll be doing those types of programs. Okay, that is possible. वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Unimaginable things कर सकते हो तुम.
He
Now,
asked,
yeah.
sir, what did he ask?
He said कि first time I want hello, then second time hi, then third time hello, fourth time hi, fifth time hello, sixth time hi. ऐसा कुछ alternate करके print कर सकते हैं क्या 10 times? So yes, if you can do that. पर अभी just in 2 minutes we will I will show you one more program. ठीक है? And then I'll give you 5 minutes break and then we'll come back for Viva. ठीक है? चलो एक प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं. If has everybody understood this concept? कि first time x y z will become 1, okay, and one time high will be printed, line change. Then x y z will become 2, the variable identified by x y z will become 2, then again high. तो 10 times 1 2 3 4 ऐसे करके वैल्यू लेगा तो पहला बार हाई, दूसरा बार हाई, थर्ड टाइम हाई, फोर्थ टाइम हाई, फिफ्थ टाइम हाई, सिक्स टाइम हाई, up to the last value of xyz, that is 10. Okay, because the range will create up to 1 less than the last value. So 10 times इसमें new values आएंगे, 10 times it will print high. So every time it gets a new value, it goes inside its block and does that job. Again, it takes another value, another new value from the list generated by range and goes inside the block and does the job. ये loop में होता है. And because it is coming back again and again, going inside, coming again, new value, going again, coming again, new value, okay, getting again new value, going inside. So this, you can see it is a cyclic process. And therefore, for statements are also known as looping statements because it goes in a form of a loop. From print range new value to xyz, again go inside the block, do the job, again come back. Okay. So for statements are also known as loop statements. Okay. Therefore मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Because of the above reasons, क्या लिख रहा हूँ उसमें? Above reasons where for, okay, because of the above reasons where for statement does the job in a looping fashion. Looping fashion मतलब क्या? Getting new value from the list, going inside, again coming back to the list, picking up new value, putting it in the variable, again coming inside. तो ये जो cyclic process हो रहा है ना, therefore for statements are also known as looping statements, that it is going round and round and round and round till the time this list is exhausted. Okay, where the for does the job in a looping fashion by assigning a new value to the variable, to the looping variable from the range of values and then doing the job again and again by going inside block, going inside block, going inside the block, it is called for loop as well. Okay, ये समझ में आया? इसको फॉर स्टेटमेंट को फॉर लूप स्टेटमेंट भी कहते हैं. क्यों कहते हैं? Why we call it? Because it is going in a cyclic fashion, picking one value from the list generated by range, assigning it to picking one value from the list, assigning it to the variable, going inside the block, doing all the jobs listed there in the body, again coming back to the list, picking a new value, okay, putting it in the variable जो तुमने for variable दी हो, variable identifier, उसमें जाके नया value डालेगा, फिर it will come inside. So therefore it is going in a cyclic fashion just like a loop. Loop is a circular, you can say a rope tied in a circular fashion, or anything which goes round and round again and again, तो उसको loop कहते हैं. तो इसीलिए loop का behavior show करता है. Therefore for statements are also known as for loops. ठीक है? यहाँ तक clear है सबको? All of you? Let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure, in the block of the for statement, if
I'm
we
coming. Wait,
type,
अभी रुक जा. Rolvin.
yes sir.
Let me. अच्छा, complete करो. जल्दी बोलो. जल्दी.
So what if we type print xyz?
I was coming to that only.
Okay, sir.
मुझे लगा इसलिए I was trying to stop. Then I said, okay, fine, you speak. Okay. Now let's say I am giving you another program. Just जो Rolvin बोल रहा है. Okay. So let's say example 2. Example दे रहा हूँ मैं एक. If I write code like for a in range 1 से 20, print a, what will happen? Tell me what is the first value of a?
1.
It will go inside the
One,
block. It will go inside the block. The first time it will print. What is the value of a when it has come first time here?
1.
1.
1.
1. It will print 1. Again it will go back from this list. It will pick up the next integer 2. A will become 2. Again it will come inside the
So
block.
it will print from 1 to 19.
Correct. And because print changes new line every time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ऐसे करते करते you will go till 19, because till one less value the list will be generated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So if I ask you to print the table of 2, can you print?
A into 2, print A into 2.
Correct. Of 2. क्या लिखेंगे? For I in I की जगह कुछ भी ले लेना. I'm just taking it. See why I use I? क्योंकि ये global standard है. Range I, Z, I, J, K, sorry, I, J and K इस तरह करके लिया जाता है. But you are free to choose any name. Range 2 से अगर टेबल 2 का प्रिंट करना है तो I'll write 1,11. Okay, and then I'll write print I multiplied by 2. क्या प्रिंट करेगा? First time I will take from the list the value 1. For first time I will be 1. It will come inside. It will print I multiplied by 2. That will be. आदित्य अभी आज पहला ही क्लास में सारा कुछ नहीं सीख लेंगे. Just सीखो, मेरे साथ चलो. I'll take you to every place you can imagine. Okay, so first time it will print 2. Second time, second value will be picked up in I. I will become 2. Okay, so उस केस में क्या होगा? I is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Second time 4 print होगा. Third time I will become 3. It gets inside again. It will print I multiply I which has now become 3 multiplied by 2, 6. इसी तरह 4th time 10. तो फर्स्ट टाइम क्या प्रिंट होगा? 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 5 multiplied by 2, 10, 6, इस तरह करके 2, 6, 4, 8 ऐसे होते होते you will go till 20. Clear है?
Sir, means we can print any table.
We can print any table. यहाँ पे अगर let's say कि यूजर ने बोल दिया write a program to print the table of n, where n will be the input given by user, integer number given by the user. Write a program to print the table of n, where n is an integer given by user. So you will take n int input. लूप का पावर अब तुम लोग धीरे धीरे समझोगे. It is wonderful feature. Int input, and then you will write for I in range 1 से कहाँ तक? You will go to 11. Print क्या लिखोगे? I multiplied by n, or n multiplied by I, whatever you prefer. Correct? I will go from 1 to n, and each time I varies, it will print the product with n. So you will get, अगर ये 5 डालोगे तो first time 5 into 1, then second time I will become 5 into 2, 5, 10, 15, ऐसे करते हुए 50 तक print हो जाएगा. Okay? ठीक है, चलो. We will continue the discussion on for. Maybe अभी ये 1 week चलेगा. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
which is the highest we can put in the range value? If we put in
Any number you
infinity.
think. That depends on the capacity of your computer. जितना ज़्यादा RAM है उतना बड़ा नंबर दे सकते हो. ठीक है, उतने values बनेंगे. ठीक है, it depends on the capacity and the hardware of your computer. Logically there is no limitation, ideally rather, but of course that will be limited to your capacity of the computer. 1 lakh भी डाल सकते हो, super computer हो सकता है 1 million ले ले, 1 billion ले ले range में. Okay, so ideally there is no limit, but practically it will be limited by the capacity and hardware configuration of your computer. But ideally loop can go till any number. Okay. ठीक है, चलो. Take 5 minutes break. We'll meet after 5 minutes. And जो भी doubt होगा इसमें, we'll take tomorrow, and after 5 minutes we'll start with the Viva.
Sir, everybody's will be candidate today only, sir.
देखते हैं 3 o'clock तक.